Tuberculosis, commonly known as TB, is a serious infectious disease. It's a major global health problem affecting millions of people around the world each year. The good news is TB is both preventable and curable. TB is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This bacterium usually attacks the lungs, but it can also affect other parts of the body, including the kidneys, spine, and brain. TB spreads through the air. When a person with active TB coughs, speaks, or even sings, tiny droplets containing the bacteria are released. These droplets can remain suspended in the air for several hours. If you inhale these droplets, you can become infected. You're more likely to get TB if you have close contact with someone who has the disease. This is why TB is often spread within families, communities, and healthcare settings. There are two main types of TB infection: latent TB infection and active TB disease. Latent TB infection means you have the TB bacteria in your body, but you are not sick and cannot spread the bacteria to others. Many people with latent TB never develop active TB disease. Active TB disease, on the other hand, means the bacteria are actively multiplying in your body. You have symptoms and can spread the disease to others. It's important to seek medical attention if you suspect you might have TB. Section 4. Recognizing the symptoms. Active TB disease often presents with noticeable symptoms. A persistent cough that lasts for more than 3 weeks is a common sign. You may also cough up blood or phlegm. Other symptoms include chest pain,